All right, now on to some tougher ones. These are full equations that you're going to be solving now. Your goal is to get x all by itself, okay? So if x is being squared, the way you undo that, the way you solve that is by square rooting the x. But you can't do that until the x squared is isolated. So the first thing you have to do in this example is get rid of that plus 7. Move it to the other side. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now we could square root both sides. To solve, square root of x squared is just our x. Square root of 0 is just 0. You don't need a plus minus symbol for 0. That's just the answer, 0. Okay? This one, now if you want to begin isolating the x, notice this squared exponent, this 2 exponent right here, is actually the most outer thing that's occurring. So we want to eliminate that exponent first. So what we're going to do is square root both sides, okay? So the square root of the squared exponent, they'll just cancel each other out. A square root and a 2 exponent always cancel each other out, because square rooting something squared just basically nullifies it, just cancels it out. Now, here's the tricky part. Square root of 16 is 4, right? Well, we actually just discussed before that the square root of 16 is equal to 4 or negative 4. Right? There's two separate scenarios here. So we're going to get one scenario where x minus 5 equals positive 4. And then we're going to get another scenario where x minus 5 equals negative 4. All right? So you have to solve both of these scenarios. So you got to solve for x in both of them. So x could equal 9. Or if we add 5 on this one, x equals 1. Both are correct answers. And you could check that they're both correct by plugging them both in. Right? You could check both of them. 9 minus 5. If you take that and square it, does it equal 16? Yeah, it does. What about 1 minus 5? If you take that and square it, does it equal 16? Yeah, it does. Because this is going to be negative 4 squared, which is also equal to 16, right? This one down here was positive 4 squared, so that equals 16. But negative 4 squared also equals 16, so you're going to get two separate answers for these. All right, I want you to try for classwork this slide right here. It's only 4 problems. All right, and that's it for this video.